I caught him, but he keeps trying to hang up. Oh man, we're in some fish. Come on out here, buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh no, get out of them sticks. I am going down the road and somebody's got a mule out. I don't know where he's going, but anyway, I just thought I'd let you know that. The little rules they got: 20 brim, 6 catfish, 30 crappie. I think the way he talks, there's no size on them, but the bass, you can't have any over 13 inches, and y'all can probably read that right there. I might even zoom it in for you, but fish got to be weighed in, and that's it. Got a daily permit, and I think it's also the kayaking permit thing too, so we're good to go. Oh, and I'm fishing with my brother today. He's already out yonder somewhere. He barely beat me. He lives a lot closer. That's okay. We won't hold that against him. Okay, I might, but y'all ain't got to. That'd be disrespectful to y'all. Alright, and watch for people running in front of bicycles. If they're running in front of bicycles, they're running in front of anything. If you need a sunken pontoon, they got those also. I'm sure they got a better rate on them. It's a pretty windy road around the edge, but I've also noticed there's camping spot after camping spot. And I got these white poles. I don't know if y'all can see them out there in the water, just stabbed in there randomly. I don't know what those are about. If y'all know more about this, let me know. Apparently that's a fishing spot because there's several floaters hung up right there. And there's snapping turtles. That's a good sign too. That's a good sign also. Okay. I wonder if there's some fresh water flowing in right here. Something coming out of this hot well. Yeah, look at that. Yep. Okay. I'm half tempted just to fish this, knowing all that. All that fresh water in there, and there's a fish just hit right there too. Well, that is somebody's misfortune. But not mine. There's another one. There's 2 more down there. Holy crap. Yeah, people's losing floaters down here. I just remember where there's 3 in that tree. My goodness. I want to remember that for when I come back. But anyways, right now I need to be fishing. I ain't got a bite. Really? Not a single one. I've tried worms. I've tried that little old monkey milk thing. I put a rooster tail on. I tried my swirl tail jig. I've tried different size sinkers. I've tried different size floaters. I mean, I've tried it all, just about.
No, you ain't tried it all.
No, I probably hadn't. I mean, I've tried a lot though. What's this old king ding-a-ling bait you got here?
Right here, catching. That's $5, so don't drop it.
There's one ugly little bait. But it works, you say?
Yep, it'll catch crappie every time. Or any kind of panfish when you can't get nothing else to bite. I got that off Richard Jean.
Huh.
And it works. It's hand tied, handmade.
Yeah.
Everything. I got 5 of them.
Okay, little update. I fished all over that corner over there. I didn't get a bite. But I was trying all kind of stuff, as y'all seen earlier. My brother gave me a little expensive jig. I ain't about to put that on there and lose it. What I have done though, is I just got a bite on the bass right here. He's pretty good sized. And I'm using the same stuff I caught the sauger on, that and that. Unfortunately, the bottom of this place is littered with garbage to get hung up. I mean, garbage to get hung up on. But the point of it is, the fish are on the bottom. Nobody caught a fish. I ain't seen nobody catch a fish this morning, except some people fishing off that corner, and they were fishing on the bottom. The dang fish are on the bottom. I have wasted a long time to come to this conclusion, but now I know it. Ugh. They are on the bottom. Oh, come on, buddy. Give up now. He was a soft bite too, man. They're not that active right now. We had to work for them.
Yeah, they're slow.
They're not aggressive bites. So it's got to be under 13 to keep.
Yeah, here.
Okay. Well, give me some scissors. I'll take about 2 inches of his tail off. And oh, don't you do that. Also, I bent my hook out a little more too to where it's getting their mouth better. You know what I'm saying? That other one throwing, I didn't like it. Come on, buddy. Come on in here. Come on. We're out now. Let me get it here and open a little bit more. That way, if you want to cast in there, I ain't gonna mess up the spot.
Oh, you're fine.
There we go. That's a largemouth. Alrighty. I ought to done had my daggone measuring device out. This thing is dead on 13. I mean dead on 13. That son of a gun. Hand me my scissors. When I push his tail flat, he's past 13. Well, buddy, get out of here. Aha. If you push his tail down, he's 12 and a half, so he's absolute keeper. So weird keeping a bass this little. It don't feel right. And not because I got anything against it. From a moral standpoint, it's just when you used to fish in a spot, they got to be 15 or larger. That's weird, ain't it? That'd be deep enough for you, buddy. You just enjoy the ride to the best of your abilities, which I know are not much. But you're welcome for that fish, because that's how I was going to go off and let you fish this. So if I'd have thrown in there, I'd have got him, right?
Oh, my Lord.
Man, oh man. Now that one's over 13. He's got to be. Gotta be.
He was in that hole in between the grass all the way at the bank. As soon as it hit, count 3 seconds, start reeling.
A little different when you're working bottom, ain't it? Yeah, that other one fought good too. I caught him, but he keeps trying to hang up. Oh man, we're in some fish. Come on out here, buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh no, get out of them sticks. Come on. Out of the dang sticks. Huh?
He's over 13.
I'll take your word on it, and I gotta figure this guy out. He's causing some problems. Yeah.
Huh?
He's there. Thank you, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Now you done turned him loose?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he's way over 15.
I think this one is too. Hey, don't you throw that hook. Don't you throw that hook. I think this one's got to be also. Come on. Heck, I know he is. Good Lord. Well, looky there. Number 2.
Got him. Got him.
You're doing good. I got a stick.
I'm putting up a fight.
This little swirltail jig, you'd be surprised at all the stuff I've caught on this thing, bud. And I'm sure you know that with your swirltails. It ain't popped yet.
What's he fighting like?
I ain't popped. Well, bass normally comes up by now. That might be the biggest bluegill I've ever caught, seriously. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
That's a big one.
Man. That might be the biggest one I've ever caught. I'm not even joking. Holy crap. Get down there, buddy. But come on. You hung up? Oh no. Oh no, no, no. I don't know yet. Like this. Crap. Crap. He got hung up. You were gonna crap a brick? I mean a brick. Gold brick. He better still be here. I'm gonna be mad if he ain't. Oh no, damn.
What'd you get?
He broke off. It was a bass about like that. And I caught him in a little old fake red worms bumping the bottom. I'm not kidding you at all. A worm in the hook. Worm in the hook. My bass. Don't tangle up. Come on. Now, let's get you measured. You're under 13. You get to join the hook party. Also, folks, if you can keep from it, don't try to, don't take the hook out until you got them on the stringer.
Told you he's right there.
Where at, buddy? Who'd have thought worms would have been that effective? Oh. Trying to keep your head, not wanting him jumping. That's how they throw hooks. Trying to avoid that. And hopefully he's a keeping size.
Sometimes simple's better.
Yeah, for right now it is. Like I said, when I caught it on that fake red worm, I was like, hey, let's try a real one. Oh. In the bottom lip. Looky there. Looky there. Let's see if you get to join the party. I doubt it. You look too big. Yeah, he's like 13 and a half. Oh. Dang you. Well, a little fishy. It was fun. It was fun. It's the second biggest brim I ever caught. Oh my goodness. You see this? Holy crap. Oh. Oh, look at that. Holy crap. Oh my goodness.